as a County Executive Committee member in charge of Transport, Roads, Public Works, Machakos County, Engineer Lwanga. On 30th of December 2019, the residents of Katani dropped at our offices a notice of intended demonstration on the status of their road. The offices were operating sparingly due to the festive season. On 31st December 2019, on my routine checkup with the office, I received the letter and called and met the author, Mr. George Otieno, and responded adequately. I clearly stated to them that this was not our road and currently it is under construction by national government, Kura specifically. The road is 21 kilometers and so far national government has done a good job and done 6.5 kilometers, and I am sure it is their intent to continue working on the same road. On matters of axle loading, which they addressed in the same letter, I informed them that under the law, this falls under the jurisdiction of national and control of national government. I gave the team all the correspondences between our county and national government on both of the issues, which I have been following. And I promised them that we will pursue the same with national government next week when the offices are fully operational. However, to alleviate the problem and help our people, I got in touch with my sub-county engineer Mavoko Gregory Mutuku and directed that we temporarily send a grader and source Maram to cover up the deep gullies. I shared the contact with Mr. Otieno and they were in constant communication with my engineer. On the same day, we managed to get an operator who was away on holiday and mobilized a grader to go to Katani. The same grader was received by the residents on 31st at 7 p.m. December 2019. It was agreed that due to the ground condition, work would start today, 2nd January 2020. On 1st January 2020, I received a call from a Mr. Jimmy Nguli asking if I had received a delegation from Katani residents and if I had given them a grader. I replied in the affirmative. He questioned why I gave them the same, and is the chairman of the Residents Association. I categorically told him that it is our duty to serve our people without reference to anybody when they are in need and devoid of any bureaucracy. While in my office on 2nd January 2020 at 8:30 a.m., that is today, I was called by the sub-county engineer informing me that the residents had blocked the road, despite all the efforts we had done to save the situation. I called the Deputy Sub-County Administrator Mavoko and he directed that he accompanies the Sub-County Engineer to the ground with the OCS Okimau, present our position and get the road opened immediately for work to progress. I read malice in the closure, taking cognizance of all the above facts. We will continue as a county to serve our people and steer clear of unnecessary underhand political games within the communities we serve. As a county, we have already engaged our county assembly members through the county assembly clerk. Our engineers have been in the field for the last 1 week, helping to identify the damage that has been caused by the recent rains, with a view of costing the same for tabling to the executive for discussion in further direction. Our county, through the leadership of our Governor, His Excellency Dr. Alfred Mutua, continues to invest heavily and provide resources to the Department of Transport and Roads and Public Works to ensure we continue to deliver on our mandate. God bless the people of Machakos County. Thank you.